is 1 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until that seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an extra row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure that you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 1. For those of you that did have to leave your